Fans will be hoping for an exciting match here today.
So, the referee gets this match underway. Both teams more than capable of winning it. But which way is it going to go?
Great footwork there.
It's Lacazette. He's almost celebrating, so unlucky.
Again, no wonder the players thought it was going in.
Absolutely perfect evening for a game of football.
That first shot missed the goal. They'll have to sharpen up. A short pass from the keeper. Good defending there. Oh, that was nice. Confident pass.
It's Lacazette. Ooh, not the best effort there.
No goal. Let's see how close it was.
Cleared forward by the goalkeeper.
At the striker's feet.
Oh, look at that showboating.
Ooh, quality defending there. It's a throw-in. The defender could be in trouble here. Defender then back on the ball.
That one has gone out of play. Keeper collects that one.
Striker's ball.
Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack.
Oh, this could be costly.
Oh, that's great determination. Good interception.
Perfectly executed. Lacazette.
Can they make it count? Aim towards a penalty spot.
Gets the header in. Referee indicates a corner.
Reactions from the goalkeeper there to keep the shot out. Let's take another look. Oh, that's a really dangerous cross. Lovely header.
That's gone out for a corner.
They're waiting in the box, hoping for a good delivery.
Tries the header.
Oh, good catch by the keeper. And here's Nugent. And this really takes the pressure off the defence. It's Lacazette.
The attacker is
Not a good tackle at all.
The ball has gone up and we're going to have 3 minutes of stoppage time. And we're into stoppage time. That's display. It was well wide. A short goal kick there.
Ball's crossed the line, it's out of play. This game really hasn't ignited. So level at half-time and we're underway again. Who's going to take the initiative? Tries a long shot. Good save.
Corner kick now. Closer look.
And that's into the box. Now this could be costly.
Gets the shot in.
That's high, and can they get a goal to kick-start the game? Launched upfield by the keeper. Oh, well intercepted. Oh, he's onside here.
Shoots.
Goodness me, that was close.
To enter the fray. Distributes the play. Lacazette. Nifty bit of footwork there.
Oh, and dispossessed there.
The striker picks it up. Great chance. They're going for goal.
Is this a goal? Shoots. Corner kick. Again.
Can they make something of this? Corner taken on. Off his head.
Oh, he heads wide. Cleared forward by the goalkeeper. Here's Koulibaly.
They're appealing, but he's onside.
Is this the moment? Great chance here. Easy for the goalkeeper there.
Warming up on the touchline, but is it time for a change?
It's like...
All square here. Will either team snatch the win?
Well read. Lacazette.
You've got to admire skill like that.
And he's found an opening.
They get it away from danger.
Good ball.
Tries from distance. Has indicated 5 minutes of stoppage time. Keeper put his boot behind that. And we're entering stoppage time now.
Passed out wide then. And he's one-on-one with the keeper. You can't make this stop. And the crowd are well behind their team now they've got their goal. We're back underway. Lacazette.
Koulibaly with the touch.
And we're off. This should be an entertaining game. Lovely passing here. He's found an opening. Oh. He chooses to throw this one out.
Striker's ball.
He tries something special. And the keeper...
That first shot missed the goal. They'll have to sharpen up.
Launched upfield by the keeper.
Confident pass. He's headed the ball forward. That's a rash challenge there. Distributes the play.
It's Lacazette.
Let's take another look at it.
The weather conditions are absolutely perfect. We could be in for a real treat today.
Defender is on the ball.
Well cut out. They're appealing. It's Lacazette. And that is a fantastic goal. And the crowd are well behind their team now they've got their goal. We're back underway.
The striker picks it up.
He's onside here.
It's Lacazette.
Keeper sends it long. Good interception. Lacazette. What a chance! It's Lacazette! Goodness me, that was close.
Well, let's take another look at that.
Forward from the keeper. That's good link-up play. It's Lacazette!
Not the best. Let's see how close this was to a goal.
The keeper plays it short there.
The defender could...
Not a good tackle at all. Straight red.
Some stoppage time.
Played short by the keeper. Not a great challenge.
He's received a booking and he can't have any complaints about that.
Well taken by the goalkeeper. Well read.
So one team's game and the other side use their advantage in the second half. Aguero with the ball.
Sends it long. The goalkeeper eases the pressure. He chooses to throw this one out. Oh, that's great determination. The keeper collects that one. Thrown out by the goalkeeper. That's a dangerous area to lose the ball.
The referee calls play back for an offside.
That's nicely played.
Passed inside.
They've won the ball back again. Captain on the ball. Oh, he's onside here. Tries a long shot. His teammates swarming, and rightly so. Great.
And we're back underway, but how will this team respond? Finds his teammate.
Oh, a very badly timed challenge. Just can't seem to get into this game. They need to press higher upfield to start creating chances again. Keeper collects that one. Keeper opts to throw this one out. That's good link-up play.
Long shot. 50 goals for this player, and I'm sure more are going to come.